Side swap. Like this one under construction.
Big ass wheels on the Cjack, get that on there. You gotta get all that.
Yeah, hell yeah.
It ain't about that, you gotta look at the detail.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I mean, no, that ain't our car, but the craftsmanship that they did to it, look at like,
I'm
all that
OG,
5.7 in it.
Bubbleized. You know what I'm saying?
Shit, you want to come up with that? I don't have to hop it. Yeah. And then with the 16, I can wait the time. I can do it like this. I got 16. Yeah. So I can do a picnic or something. I can cock it all the way up. Yeah. And it becomes crazy. Correct. So I'm going to bulldog it. I'm going to do all.
Yeah, man. That Lowrider shit. Motherfucker look good. Ain't that bad. Ain't too bad.
Not that bad.
They come straight too though. No, you ain't got the pieces on there, be clean. Cool. I don't like the dash like talking about it. This hoe here hard.
That 6.3 clean.
What this is, Lincoln?
Ooh, the paint look good on that.
Hell yeah. They ain't got some clear on that bitch, boy.
Brandy on the silk.
Airless. Boy, airless dying everything. What that? This was 63? Yeah, man. That boy wet. That boy is wet. He ain't got the skirts on that bitch. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see what you're talking about with the cut. Yeah. And I forgot I could take pictures while that I can do that. It's all regal right here. But gray bumpers right here, everything. That boy hard. He airless. Boy, big motor. Oh yeah, he hard. Good dog.
Like better. Like better. Not one of this. Keep it real. It's all right.
Man, what y'all think? Let me see.
What do y'all think, guys?
What y'all think? Which one y'all think?
The Regal or the
Colors, man. This must be yours. That will be his. They must be brothers. Y'all kinfolk?
No, we're club brothers.
Oh, club brothers. Okay, yeah. Man, I ain't gonna lie.
I'll help y'all. I like that one better. That's my favorite one right there.
Hey, they both clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. And they both detailed too, so shit is, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I can't even decide. They both hard, bro. They both hard in the motherfucker, man.
Hey, he said it's a tie.
Yeah, it's a tie, bro. I ain't gonna even lie. The motherfuckers live, bro. Here's right here, man. They would think this is a LaCal, but it's actually a Paris right here. The cut's different on there. LaCal got a like a V cut, I think, some shit like that. I think Paris is only 70s models. Motherfucker right here hard, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I want me some switches one day too. No bullshit. Look at that boy. Ooh. Say man, hey man. Got them JLs in that motherfucker. You don't see too many JLs no more. They wear that everywhere too. Details, man. See all that shit, Brandon wine. You know what I'm saying? car branded wine, all the inserts in the interior, all that shit branded wine. Details that matter, man, you know what I'm saying?
I'm part of the Houston chapter, but I live in San Antonio. Oh, okay.
That the boy GM, man. General Motors, baby. You see that shit? Yeah. Oh, okay. Hell yeah.
I gotta see the sun. I know it.
Show y'all these details real quick. Y'all see that shit? Battery covered up. Everything down there covered up, man. Come get you in the game. For sure. Hey, man. Boy, they're low to the equator right there, baby. Low to the equator right there, man. The cars, man. Impala right there. See, this motherfucker smell brand new. Yeah, I'm glad I missed a bunch of sleep and drinking a whole bunch of alcohol for y'all to see this, man. My boy Picture invited me. Shout out to my boy, make sure y'all go follow his channel. Son got an upcoming channel, you know what I'm saying? Oh, he draped up. That boy draped up. Throwback. Y'all know nothing about that shit. Casket inside in this motherfucker. Yeah. Shit. Say, man. This for my boy Roy. Then my boy Roy got a 66. Roy, man. That woman coming for you, baby. Well, she done came for you already. My boy Roy gonna come with it though. The boy that 66 coming real soon. Yeah, she live. Look at all them hood this motherfucker. Ooh. Say, man, hey, man. I'm talking about it for real. Oh, shit, okay. It's all right. Yeah, man. Right here, boy. I ain't bullshit. This shit right here is the truth. I wouldn't even want to watch this motherfucker. I can't lie. It's a woman's car, y'all.
Miguel.
Look, Miguel's. Got the Miguel's. Oh. This shit right here. Man, them Majestics ain't playing with y'all, man. Them Majestics got every goddamn thing you can think of. These motherfuckers probably paint pencils, nigga. Pencils and pens. They not playing, man. Now this shit, he's out of line. Nah, I wouldn't do that. That's something what not to do right here. This MC right here, this MC, motherfucker right here clean, man, that train day, baby. That MC right here. That's Spanish, that's Spanish right there. Look like, yeah. 70 old coupe right here. Texas ain't playing with y'all boys, man. This is not playing with y'all at all. It look like boys finna wrap it up real soon. You know what I'm saying? Oh damn, look at this truck right here. I don't think I showed y'all this truck right here. The truck right here look good. Engraved all right there. Damn. Real emblem engraved. Probably the most detailed car show I've never been to. Engraved rims, details with the screws and nuts and all that. All under that's painted right there too. See, you must got some music. Y'all see the zero gauge wire right there. No mirrors.
say that.
Yup. Pie brew, red. Oh yeah, yeah, man.
In Mexico, the Chevrolet comes like that with that grill.
Oh.
So it is a
Oh damn, that's crazy.
Chevy. It's the same thing.
Okay, I got you. It looks like that's your truck too?
Nah, that's almost.
That's nice too.
I just learned something today, man.
Wow, I like it a lot. You did a good job, man.
All right, man, y'all have a good one.
Absolutely, y'all take care.
All right.